Why you people are standing there? Okay children, what we are going to make? Ladoo. You know how to make ladoo?
No.
See, what is this? Cashews and badams are there. Okay, I am adding this one. Then some raisins. Then what is this? Coconut. Desiccated coconut. I am adding this. What is this?
Milk.
Milk. Okay. Now let's see a milk. Now we will mix all it together. Like this. Okay. See? Look here. Now we can make it a bowl and then ladoo is ready. Okay children? See, what is this?